Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Benv family, Benv lover. This is 8:16. Man, I come very, very late, bro. Man. All right. Okay, coming late will not be an issue. You understand? But the knowledge you are going to grab today, you understand? So either you are watching live or you are watching after the live video, please check the description of the video. The what I write there is, please drop any question for me. I'm able and capable to answer you, either you are watching live or you are watching after the live video. I want to just make this particular statement before the live video really starts. Yesterday I supposed to do a top down analysis, weekly top down analysis yesterday, but there is no light. I need to talk about that too. You understand? There is no light, and if there is no light, there is no way I can come on live video. You understand? So I waited. They did not bring us. They did not give us light. So I have to bend it to the hand. Thank God. God be the glory. There is light today. Benv the engulfing goat. I greet you. UD. Oh my God. I see you, my bro. I see you. Highly welcome. You are highly welcome. You're highly welcome. Today will be massive. When I say massive, it will be massive because we are going deeper. You understand? We are going deeper. You get? We are going to do a top-down analysis, a technical analysis, question and answer, and everything. You get? You are going to do everything together. So please don't forget to leave a comment. You understand? Just drop anything at all you want me to talk about. Drop it on the comment section. Able and capable, no be charge. I am really want to interact with you guys. That's the reason why I come on this particular live video, take a question from you guys and answer you guys live and direct. Let it not be till I make a video before I will post it. That one will don't go through editing and the rest. No, I want to if I have the knowledge, let me share it live and direct. You understand? And if I don't have the knowledge, let me just keep calm and just leave the game. You get? So I can be able to answer any question you hit me. You understand? That's the reason why I'm here. So without wasting much of our time, I think I'm going to dive into the main topic. Let me share my screen. Yeah, real quick. Yeah. Let me share my screen. UD, you're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. How is work today and how is trading today? It's like you don't take a trade today. Tell me either you have taken a trade today or not. Tell me either you have taken a trade today or do you take any trade today? Today trade no make sense. So you take a trade today, almost tell me what you get. No shame. Just tell me what you get. Tell me what you get. Let me see. Let me share my screen real quick. Then we'll do a top-down analysis. A video that was live video that was supposed to do yesterday to do a top-down and weekly top-down analysis. There is no light, and today I supposed to come on live video because I think it's 4 times in a week. Yeah, 4 times in a week. Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You understand? 4 times in a week. Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Yeah, 4 times in a week. Let me see. What good, brother? I'm going on night duty soon. Wow. Oh boy. Bosha, no worry. The Lord is your protector, man. The ancestor is your protector. You know where you come from. So the ancestor is your protector. That one is sure. The ancestor is your protector. The Lord is your protector, man. Okay. I'm currently in a Euro USD shorts. Oh boy. See, you're a bad guy. Truly, I'm on a short, you understand, on Euro USD. Then I went and do one small mistake on DP. See, you know that my 10K account, that one is for swing trading. You understand? Normally, that one is for swing trading because I want to manage that account till next year. I enter today. Yes, it's today that I enter. I think during London session that I enter my own too. You understand? So I enter my own during London section when the market spiked to the upside. And if you look at the way, see, I swear to God, that live video that I did not do yesterday, it will hurt a lot of people. That thing pain me. You understand? Because there is a way I supposed to analyze the market, but for everybody to get entry today. But that light that I would not get yesterday cost me. You understand? Because there's a way I'm seeing the market. The market is going to the downtrend. You understand? Because it's creating a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and it has created a lower high. You understand? So everybody, every swing traders now supposed to enter a trade. You understand? For a sell. So as the market go to the upside, nearly that last week candlestick, this thing, the high of that last week candlestick, I enter for a sell for swing trading, and it's still running up to now on my 10K account. But on my 25K account, there's a little mistake I do on that particular one that I'm going to post tomorrow. You understand? I lost that particular trade, but the one on my swing trading. You understand? I know my bias for today is sell, but I went and trade against this thing, thinking I want to take a quick scalp. So it went it went against me. But you, just as I promised you guys, there's no any other one that there's nothing I'm going to hide from you guys. I'm going to tell you guys everything clean and clear, show you guys my loss and my wins so that you guys will learn from inside. If I show you my loss, you are going to learn from inside. You are going to like re-strategize your own so that at least you learn. But VFS do this thing against the trend. This also time and he lost the trade. So why am I trying to go against the trend? So at least if I share it with you guys are going to learn from inside. You understand? That's exactly what I'm going to do. And if you check the description of this particular video, please drop a comment. Anything at all you want me to talk about, drop it on the comment section. This particular live video is for you guys and you guys alone, not for me. You understand? I'm just here for you guys, just to take a question. Like you guys will drop a question for me, then I'll give you the answer that you need. Period. That just all. You understand? That is just all. That is the only thing. And I always come on this particular live video for you guys and you guys alone, not because of my own. You understand? Not because of me, but to interact with you guys live and direct. You understand? Let you guys know me live and direct, not doing analysis and just post. No, if I'm doing any analysis, ask me a question. If I really know exactly what I'm teaching you, that is where you will know, yes, this guy know exactly what he's teaching. This guy don't know exactly what he's teaching. You understand? So that's the reason why I always come on live video for you guys to like interact with me. And I promise, just as I always promise, your question will be answered. You understand? Because everything is from here, not any other place. I will not nothing. You understand? Once you ask a question, I use my brain because of my past experience, and I give you the answer that you need, that you deserve, man. So let me share my screen real quick. Let me share my screen because we are going to do a thorough top-down analysis. Let's know the direction of the market, because normally today's candlestick have like today candlestick have closed. You understand? So let's know the direction of the market. You know, the tough day for trader. Oh boy, see this analysis that I post. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See this analysis that I do on Friday, on Sunday morning post before they take light. You should see it's just going straight the way I analyze it. It's just going the way I analyze it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No wonder somebody see this particular analysis and he comes to my WhatsApp DM and say, thanks for giving us expo. Thanks for giving us expo, because I analyze that particular pair. And I promise, before I go into that particular analysis, I promise that I'm going to do an intensive top-down analysis on XAUSD. You understand? That's exactly what I say. I said I'm going to do an intensive top-down analysis, and that is the only video that I posted yesterday, except short. If you check my video, you see that particular intensive top-down analysis on XAUSD. You are going to see it. And if you see that particular analysis, it's just going straight the way I analyze it. Don't be by cho. I know exactly what I'm saying. You understand? So let's dive into. I'm waiting for you guys to like drop question. Any particular pair you want me to better expo? No be lie, bro. No be lie, no dey lie, no dey lie. Do you watch the video? Do you watch that particular video about last year? Do you watch the video? If you watch the video, let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. If you watch that particular video, let me know. Because I just take my time. It's in the morning sef. I take my time to analyze the market well. You understand? Because I look at the market, I see the way the market is going, I say, this resistance level, this particular place is going to resist the market to this particular inner support level first before we even know what to do next. You get? That is exactly what I say in that particular top-down analysis. You understand? So before I do that particular top-down analysis, so Bob Lashley, how far? Tell me, do you watch the? Yes, of course. Wow, wow, that's very good. That's very good. That's very good. That is very great. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your questions. You understand? I'll be waiting for your question. Tell me your favorite pair, not only my own that I'm going to analyze because I'm here for you guys. You understand? If because of only my own, I'll just do my own like jejely top down analysis and just rest. You understand? Because moreover, I like it safe. Oh wow, thank you. I like it safe. Okay, okay, okay. Wow, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for your like, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm here because of you guys and you guys alone. So tell me your favorite pairs, then we'll do a top-down analysis on that particular pair. So please and please help me and like the video. Keep like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Then turn on the bell notification so that whenever I come on live video, because me I don't have break. You understand? Everybody are going for break on this particular December, but me I don't have break. I'm here. You understand? 247 active, 247 active for you guys. See, you should really know exactly what you are doing. There's no, see, you will not wait for any particular time for you to like, let me even talk about this particular thing. I think like AUD USD, please take it. All right, I'm going to check that. I'm going to check that. But let me talk about this particular thing. Because some people always get this thing wrong. If you know exactly what you are pursuing, you don't supposed to take any day off. You don't supposed to like, because of this particular, I'll wait till 2026 before I do this particular thing. I'll wait till 2020. There are things that you need to wait till 2026, and there are things that you don't need to wait. You understand? You understand? There are things that you don't need to wait. You have to like continue doing that particular thing. Like person like me now, I'm not going to leave my chart for any reason. Say, hey, I'm resting because of X marks and the rest season. No, I'm not going to leave my chart for any reason. I will even stick to my chart more to know how the market move during this type of season. You understand? More than ever before. You get? And I don't know if I can decide to be coming live with you guys too. You get me? I'm not going to take any time. I'm not going to rest, man. You understand? Because if you are preparing for 2026, your preparation is supposed to start from now because that 2026 is around the corner. How many weeks now to 2026? Just less than how many weeks, you understand, to 2026. So you have to like prepare yourself. You understand? Get yourself prepared. Get yourself prepared. You understand? So what exactly am I going to do first? Should I go on should I do this particular three-pair top-down analysis and technical analysis before I come to Bob Lashley this thing comment, or I should analyze Bob Lashley AUD USD first before we do a top-down analysis on XAU USD, GBP USD, and Euro USD, because those three pairs need close attention. You understand? You see, and there's something I discovered today on GBP USD. See, from the beginning of this year, January 1st this year till June, you understand, 1st, the market is trending up. Okay, then from July down to this December, the market is trending down. So I discovered that particular thing and say, why is it like that? So is it going to be like that next year or what? So I pay close attention to that particular thing. Immediately I go to monthly time frame to like see what exactly is happening on monthly time frame. You understand? Because I told you guys I make research every blessed time. You understand? I don't rest. I have a physical shop, but I don't rest. I make research every blessed time. You get? I make research every blessed time. So there is something I see on that particular GPUSD. You understand? And you know GPUSD and Euro USD they work hand to hand. You understand? Whenever this one is taking an uptrend, that's when this one is taking an uptrend. Whenever this one is taking a downtrend, that's when this one is taking a downtrend. You understand? So we are going, whatever I'm learning in this particular period, I'm going to share it with you guys. You understand? So all you need to do is to just stay tuned for me. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Whatever I'm learning in this period, I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. All you need to do is to stay tuned. You understand? If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and stay tuned, because what I discovered today is very, very like it's very, very surprising. You understand? How will the market trend 6 months straight? Then the next 6 months will be like trend up 6 months straight. Then the next 6 months will be trending down. Like there's something. You understand? There's that's something that everybody's supposed to be looking out, like pay close attention to. Then we'll see how next year will like do. You understand? So you compare it together. I'm here with you guys, and I'm going to be bringing them out one after the other. You understand? Whatever I discovered, I'm going to bring it out one after the other. And whatever you guys discover, this is just like a community. This is just like a family. You understand? So whatever you yourself you discover, you drop it on the comment section. Then we'll talk about it. You understand? This channel is for you and I. You understand? Not only my own. You understand? That's what you guys need to know. You get? So I'm here to share all my knowledge with you guys. All you need to do is to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I come to live stream. So let's check very quickly. Let's check AUD USD, because my people will come and they will ask for XAUSD, GBPUSD, and Euro USD. I know a lot of people love that particular those pairs. You understand? Why this family blow on me? I know a lot of people like XAUSD, GBPUSD, and Euro USD. So at least you understand. Let me start from this particular AUD USD. You understand? AUD USD also move the same way GBP USD and Euro USD move, but let's start from that first for Bob Lashley, man. All right. This is our screen here. Please, if you can see the screen clean and clear, let me see number one on the chart, or any particular emoji that you can use, please. Any particular emoji you can use, just drop it on the comment section if you can see the screen clean and clear. And if you cannot see it clean and clear, please complain, please complain. And if my voice is like, if there is network issue from my end here, just let me know real quick, please. I don't want anybody to lag behind. I don't want anybody to like not get what exactly I'm going to do on the chat, please. Okay, number one. Okay, means the chat is very, very clear. All right, that's very great. I need more answer. Sure, you see what you Bob, how far now? All right. Okay, so this is this particular analysis that I do back. Oh boy, I told you guys that it's an intensive analysis. Whoever watched that particular analysis must get value, you understand, and must get entry today. You understand? Must get entry today. Man, this is it. AUD USD real quick. AUD USD. It's been long that I do a top down analysis on AUD USD on that year. I trade AUD USD like AUD USD. Okay, this is it here. Let's take it down. Let me search for it real quick, man. AUD USD forex bundle. You understand? Okay, this is it. It's been long I do analysis on this particular pair. It's been long. Okay, on our screen here, this is AUD USD. But Lashley, please pay close attention to this particular analysis, because I'm going to, like, since it has been long that I do a top down analysis on this particular pair, I'm going to do a thorough top down analysis on it, and I'm going to start with the network issue. Okay, on our screen here, this is AUD USD. But Lashley, please pay close attention to this particular analysis. Okay, this is network issue. Okay, sorry about that. There is network issue, just a little. Then please pay close attention, pay close attention, pay close attention, pay close attention. This is the pair that we are analyzing. As you can see, it's showing on the screen. You understand? Then this is it here. Like, if you come to your chart and you want to do a top down analysis, first of all, like, you need to know the overall trend of the market. You go to the higher time frame, you understand? And if you go to the higher time frame, then you see the overall trend of the market from the higher time frame. Then you come down to the lower time frame for your execution, you understand? This particular candlestick is 4-hour candlestick, but I'm going to start the top down analysis from weekly time frame. You understand? Okay, this is weekly time frame. You understand? This is weekly time frame. Okay, on the weekly time frame, what exactly are you seeing? And this is weekly time frame, and what exactly are you seeing? The market moved from this particular area. Is there any support level where the market moved from? Very, very yes. The answer is yes. The market moved from this particular support level. Hmm, move from this particular support level. Shey you guys can see, the market move from this particular support level, you understand, where the market give this particular, let me expand the chart real quick. Okay, the market move from here, um where the market, this is weekly time frame, as you can see for up here. Then the market give this particular bearish candle before we see a strong bullish engulfing candle on a weekly time frame. And since then, the market has been going to the upside. You understand? The market has been going to the upside till it reach this particular area before we are seeing a lower. This is a high. This is a lower low, lower high. On a weekly time frame, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is not that lower low. You understand? This is a lower high, lower low. Make a double bottom, go up and clear this particular liquidity, because there is a fair value gap here. If you see something like this, just check the reason why the market go above that particular resistance level, because there is a this is a fair value gap. You understand? As the market is moving to the downside, the market leave this particular fair value gap here. You understand? That's the reason for this particular spike to the upside, to fill that particular gap. You understand? That fair value gap, to fill the gap before it take this aggressive move to the downside on the weekly time frame. And since then, the market has been doing lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high up to this particular area. You understand? Before we are seeing it's still a lower low, lower high. You understand? Up to this particular area, but this is just to know the overall trend of the market. You understand? So the overall trend for over how many, since 2021, the overall trend is a downtrend for AUD USD. The overall trend is a downtrend. If you see any other uptrend, means it's not from weekly time frame. You understand? Weekly time frame trend is a downtrend, but inside trend there is trend inside trend. You understand? If a market is trending down on a weekly time frame, if you go to 4-hour time frame, you see that the market trend up. If you go to 1-hour time frame, you see that the market trend up like long. If you go to 30-minute time frame, you see that the market trend up, while on the weekly time frame the market is on a downtrend. You understand? So that's how it work. You understand? Inside trend there is trend, inside trend line there is trend line. You understand? Depends on the type of the kind time frame you are using. I don't know if you guys are understanding, but and if I'm rushing it, just let me know. If I'm rushing, just let me know real quick. Inside trend, like, there is trend inside trend. You understand? I don't know if you guys know. There is trend inside trend, and there is trend line inside trend line. You understand? Depending on the type of candlestick you are using, depending on the type of time frame you are using, you get. So Okay, I understand. That's very great. That's very great, bro. That's very great. So that's it. You understand? So this is weekly time frame. I just want to like start from the weekly time frame. Let's know the overall trend of the market from way back. You understand? Before we go to the lower time frame and see what the market is doing. Either the market will go to the downside or it will still continue to the upside. You understand? So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let me see. Let me see. There's a mess. Oh, there is a message. You are not rushing. Every time frame have their own trend. Exactly, my bro. Exactly, 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 exactly. Exactly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for confirming it for me. Thank you for confirming it for me, man. Thank you for confirming it for me. Okay, so this is weekly time frame, and we have seen the direction of the market that is on a downtrend. You understand? So now, like this, what exactly are you seeing? What exactly are you seeing on the weekly time frame here, like this? Although whenever a market is on a downtrend, bullish engulfing candlestick don't really work, and that is the reason why I took a loss today. Today is Monday. Me, I don't joke with my first trade for the week. Me that don't joke with my first trade for the week. I took a loss today. Why? Because I went and do against the trend. You understand? So if you are coming across this particular channel for the first time, since we are 20 on the live stream now, please and please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, because I do a thorough and intensive top-down analysis on this particular channel 4 times in a week, and I post a video, post my love, both my loss and my win on this particular channel. So please don't forget to like the video before you go. Love you all. It's your guy Benv FX, as you can see. Then check the description, check the oh my god, the title of this particular video, Struggling Trader Live with Benv FX. Please click the like button before you go. Click that like button and the subscribe button before you go, man. I'll be very, very appreciated. Thank you, guys. Let me go. Let me continue. Let me continue. Let me continue, man. Okay, so this is it. There's a resistance level here. You understand? So whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle, if you are the type of person that use bullish engulfing candle, just like me, whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle and the market is on a downtrend, please be very, very careful, because that's the reason why I chop SL today. You understand? It has been long that my first trade for the week is end in loss, but oh boy, today I chop SL today. You understand? Although the first trade that I take for the week is still running. You understand? But the one that I always make video about I chop SL. You understand? I have, just as I always told you guys, I have two accounts with Funded Nest. One is 10K account, that is where I take my swing trade, and the other one is 25K account, that is where I do my scalping and my day trading. And the scalping that I do today go against me and I chop SL. And you guys are going to see the video tomorrow. So that's it. So whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle like this, be very, very careful, because the market is on the downtrend and anything can happen. You understand? Whenever a market is on a downtrend, bullish engulfing candle, the market don't even give an F about bullish engulfing candle, except if the market wants to move from a support level to the next resistance level before bullish engulfing candle will be respected. You understand? Bullish engulfing, see, there is a lot about bullish engulfing candle that you guys need to know. You understand? But let me just continue the analysis first, man. Let me just continue the analysis. The market is approaching this particular resistance level. That's the reason why, you understand, there's a resistance level here on the weekly time frame. So I don't know if the market will still reach this particular place. We are still going to the lower time frame. Let me go to daily time frame, since I have marked that particular resistance level. Okay. This is exactly what I'm saying. You understand? So there's a resistance level around this particular area, and if you look closely, when the market reach this area, you understand, and the market take an aggressive move to the downside, to this particular area, let me mark this particular place out. This one, if you do top down analysis, you need to be very, very careful. You understand? So that you see everything very, very clear. Please and please, dey very careful and see the market from every angle. Don't just see it from one angle alone. No, see it from every angle. Why the market, okay, now like this, tell me why the market have the mind to break above this particular resistance level on the daily time frame. Tell me why the market have the mind to break above this particular resistance level on the daily time frame. Tell me how the market have the mind, you understand, to break above this particular resistance level. These three resistance levels straight that the market break above. Tell me the reason why it break above it. If anybody can tell me the reason why the market break, let me expand the chart so that you guys will see it very clear. If anybody can tell me the reason why the market break above this particular, let me mark it out. Let me mark it out. This particular resistance level, this is one, you understand? Then this is two, then this is three. I want somebody to tell me the reason why the market break above this particular three resistance level. This is one resistance level, this is another resistance level, this is another resistance level, and the market is trending to the downside. Tell me the reason why the market break above this resistance level, break above this resistance level, and break above this resistance level, and then trying to like, if not reach this particular resistance level, the main resistance level, that particular resistance level that all of us think the market is going to like make a double top before it will go to the downside. The market refused to reach there. Tell me the reason why the market refused to reach there before we are seeing this particular bearish engulfing candle to the downside. Then on the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to show you guys a lot of things on the 4-hour time frame that you're supposed to see. You understand? So I'll be waiting for your answer on the comment section. Just less than a minute, please. Tell me why the market refused to tap, like the market cross all this particular resistance level without respecting them till e reach that area that it is now like this, and start giving a sign of moving to the downside. Please, I want you guys to respond to me. I need a response. If you know it, you are not okay. If you know it, please tell me in less than some seconds. I'm waiting for your response before I continue. I'm going to tell you guys what. Let me see your response, please. Let me see. Respond. Why the market break those three resistance levels? Those three. All right. Answer don come. There are minor resistance level. Okay, there are minor resistance level which are liquidity, and the liquidity has been taken, and that is okay because the bull are now in control. Okay, that's okay. Let me see. UD have not yet complete his statement. UD, you have not complete your statement yet. You haven't complete your statement. Complete it for me. The minor resistance level. See this, that is daily time frame resistance level. You are calling it daily time frame resistance level a minor resistance level, bro. Now see, that move have a mission. I need just one particular ways for that thing where the market go do for up before it's giving that particular move to the downside, man. I need one particular, I need one. And because there is a minor resistance on a weekly time frame. Okay, still good. I still need an answer. I still need more answer. You guys are just three. It has a above which is as, oh my god. You be winch. See the answer. I'm going to like see. You guys should count. Make I come my glass. You guys should calm down for me, man. Then see, I'm active. Low it, I'm active. Don't worry. Let me share. Okay, let me just be bringing the question one after the other. Okay, now like this. This is the first answer that I get. There are minor resistance level which are LQ, and the LQ has been taken, and that is the statement did not end here. That's why I'm still waiting. That's why I wait for UD. Okay. Then Bob said, because the bull are still okay, because the bull are now in control. Okay, thank you so much. Because whatever move the market from a support level to a resistance level means buyers are in control. Okay, that's very great. The second, the Bob still drop another one. Okay, I'm coming. UD, hold on, don't worry, hold on. Bob say, and because there is a major resistance on a weekly time frame. Okay, you see that major resistance on a weekly time frame, that is not the reason why the market went all the way, that refused to respect all these particular three resistance level. No, that resistance level, that weekly resistance level, that's not the reason why the market disrespect all this resistance level. Let me tell you. Okay, then this is UD last this thing question. It has a tiny gap above which it has mitigated LQ liquidity. Tell me the full meaning of this LQ. You understand? LQ liquidity. Tell me the full meaning of this particular LQ. Tell me the full meaning of LQ. But you see this particular answer. UD got the answer. Man, UD got the answer. Let me tell you, and let me mark it out for you guys. I don't know means the, oh God, man. Oh God. See, but I swear to God, but you guys try. You understand? Because see, buyers are in control, and that means bulls are in control that particular period from a support level. You understand? But the reason why this, because the market supposed to work from support to resistance, support to resistance, support to resistance. You understand? But why the market disrespect all these three resistance level in a row? You understand? Till e reach one particular minor place and start giving a sign of retracing to the downside. Okay, this is it here. UD have answer. You understand? Let me see. What exactly? I'm D Kurama. You're welcome. SCR7. You're welcome. So this is exactly what the market do, and this is exactly what pushed the market to. Okay, let me pin this particular video. Answer. Good evening, baby. Good evening, my brother Abdul. Good evening. How are you doing, bro? How are you doing? Thank you. Okay, let me show you guys what the market do. The reason for all this disrespect, because I call this type of thing a disrespect, because the reason why I call it a disrespect is not a 50-minute time frame resistance level, it's not a 1 hour time frame, it's not a 30-minute time frame resistance level, it's not a 1 hour time frame resistance level, it's not even a 4 hour time frame resistance level, one daily time frame, daily F time frame, man. And the market disrespected them all to this particular level. Why? Because there is a fair value gap for the market to fill, and that is what UD tell us. You understand? There is a fair value gap for the market to fill. You understand? Ba? There is a fair value gap for the market to fill, and this is it here. You understand? This is it here. This is the fair value gap. Let me mark it out. Then mark the fair value gap. The reason for all this disrespect is because when the market, this is the fair value gap here. This is the fair value gap here. You understand? This is the fair value gap here. If I can pull a test, let me, if I can put a huge test, if I can put a test on this, if I can put a test on this, not a, let me see, line to test color. No. If I can put a test for this, I don't know. I can't put a test. You understand? But let me see. Okay, FVG. You understand? That is fair value gap, man. Okay, this is the reason. You understand? This is the reason why the market disrespects all this particular resistance level. You understand? All this particular resistance level. This is the reason why the market disrespected them and go all the way to this particular fair value gap. You understand? As you can see, immediately the market tap on the fair value gap, it not even care to make a double top again at all. You understand? It refused to make a double top before it's going to the downside. You understand? I'm going to show you like a sign of the market going to the downside. You understand? On 4 hour time frame. I'm going to show you a sign of the market going to the downside on 4 hour time frame. The reason for all these disrespects on the daily time frame down to this particular area is because of this particular small fair value gap. So don't take fair value gap for granted. You understand? Don't take it for granted. As you can see, before the market even moved from this particular area, before the market moved from this particular area down here, there's a little fair value gap here. You understand? There's a little fair value gap here that the market tap on before the market moved from here all the way to this particular area. You understand? So you need to pay close attention to fair value gap. You understand? You need to pay close attention to fair value gap. Okay, let me just say, as the market I'll delay on this particular analysis because I want to break it down to pieces for you guys. As the market come to this particular support level, maybe you will think the market have consolidating around here. As the market have come to this particular place and it's moving to the upside, let me just take it by. What exactly do you support? What exactly do you get? What exactly do you get? Let me mark it very very well. This is the support level. What exactly do you get? This is a spike to the downside. This is a spike to the downside. Why? Because there is a fair value gap. You understand? This is the fair value gap here. There is a fair value gap here. That's the reason why the market could not be able to move all the way to this particular place, because there is a fair value gap. So the market needs to spike to the downside before to fill the fair value gap before it take a move to the upside. So whenever you see a support level or a resistance level, look up or look down. If it's a resistance level, look up. If there is a small fair value gap from back, then if it's from a support level, look down. If there is a small fair value gap from the downside, let your stop loss dey below that fair value gap, or just put your buy order on that particular fair value gap, because there must be a spike. You understand? There must be a spike to tap on that particular fair value gap before the market take its direction to the upside. You understand? So I don't know if this particular explanation teach you guys small thing concerning the like about fair value gap. I don't know if this particular small analysis teach you guys small thing concerning fair value gap. If you understand small thing concerning fair value gap, then please let me know. Let me know real quick on the comment section. Please let me know on the comment section. If you understand anything concerning fair value gap now like this, please let me know on the comment section before I go to the 4 hour time frame, because we still have enough time before I go to the 4 hour time frame, because getting it like doing a thorough and intensive top-down analysis like this will like open all our head, you understand, open all our mind and all our brain, you understand, to like at least watch out to the major things, you understand, on the chart. So let me know if you grab anything at all from this particular analysis so far. If you grab anything at all, please let me know. Let me know. I know even if you know it before or you don't know it, please let me know. If you grab anything, if this thing is at least educative, you understand, please let me know. Real quick, so that we'll continue. Let me know real quick. If you grab anything, please let me know. Let me know. Let me see. I understand. All right, that's very great. That is very great. Thank you so much. I need to. All right, let me see. Because I don't want to leave any comment behind. Good evening, Benv. Okay. I'll answer to this. Mr. Abdul, I think this pair gonna sell, right? Massively, bro. Massive. See, like massive sell on AUD USD. Just enter and put your stop loss above above the high, above that particular fair value gap. It's going to sell massively. You understand? It's going to sell. It's going to sell. You understand? This week they say December, like, but I want to dey active on this December period. Let me see if December period is tough the way everybody said it. You understand? I will dey active, aggressively active. Let me see. You understand? Because the market is going to sell actually, and I'm going to tell you the reason why it's going to sell. Mr. Abdul, I don't know if you are still active, but I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to tell you the reason why it's going to sell. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm going to tell you the reason why it's going to sell for that particular fair value gap. So stay tuned. If you're active, just let me know you're active. Just write active, active, active. This is in the rise, so all US pair are selling from now. DXY. DXY is in the rise, so all USD pair are selling for now. So alright, but you know this thing is still work based on technical. You understand? You see, it's only when you know what is happening. You understand? That one is concerning fundamental. You understand? The one you are talking about now, UDUD, is concerning fundamental, but we are using technical. You get, bro? You are using technical to, you understand, to analyze it. You get, to analyze it. So let me see. I think this pair is gonna say right. Okay, yeah. This is on the right. DXY is on the rise on the technical charts. Okay. Let me see. What time frame are you on those? Okay, this particular one is daily time frame. Oh, I need to respond to comment real quick. This particular this particular time frame is daily time frame. This is daily time frame actually. You understand? I'm still going down to 4 hour time frame to like show you guys, tell you guys the reason why I say this particular pair is going to sell massively to the downside. This, like, during this like from this particular week, you know, we are just starting the week. From this week down to next week, the pair is going to sell. AUD USD is going to sell this particular week. You get, and I'm going to show you the proof. You understand, the sign from 4 hour time frame. So let me respond to comment real quick. Okay, this is the okay. UD, thank you for giving Mr. Abdul answer. Thank you. It's daily time frame. Yeah. If the daily show tiny double top, there is a sell confirmation, because on the 4 hour time frame, it's a beautiful double top. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame is a beautiful double top. Okay, I've not go to 4 hour time frame. Maybe you have done your analysis before, and that's very great. So this is it here. Okay, I understand. Okay. DXY is in the rise, so all US pair are selling for now. All right, that's very great. Thanks for the information. Then this is it again. DXY is on the rise on the technical chart. Okay, that's very great. I don't use fundamental. Then how do you get it? Or you see that although almost all the pair, like almost all USD pair, you understand, are on the resistance level. You understand? That is the reason why I enter for swing trade. You understand? On Euro USD, a sell. You get. So let's see. Okay, the charts. Okay. So let me go to 4 hour time frame. You understand? I'm going to 4 hour time frame now. Let me tell you guys what exactly I'm seeing on this 4 hour time frame that is giving me more, you understand, courage that the market is going to sell. You understand? I'm going to check DXY on your chart, Benv. DXY. All right, so I'm going to check that. After this particular analysis, I'm going to check that real quick. I'm going to check that. All right, so let me go to 4 hour time frame. Then we'll see what 4 hour time frame is doing. Then I'll show you guys the sign I see on 4 hour time frame before I know that yes, the market is going to sell massively. is the dollar symbol. Okay, 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 okay. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. That is very great. All right. So now, oh my God, I've went and on one particular. Oh man. Okay, but regardless, it doesn't matter. If you come up, I'll just off it. Okay, this is it here. You understand? So on the 4 hour time frame, let's go to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. You understand? On the 4 hour time frame, what exactly are you seeing? What exactly are you seeing on the 4 hour time frame? After disrespecting all this resistance level, what exactly are you seeing? The market tap on the fair value gap on the daily time frame and the market is moving to the downside. Then how do you know that yes, the market is giving its sign, you understand, to sell to the downside? How will you know? You understand? What will give you that particular what exactly will give you that particular sign that the market is going to the downside? You understand? Me, I use, you understand, to confirm that the market is going to the downside. You get? Although there is a minor support level here, but that one is just for all these scalpers and the rest to take their buy from here and just get out. You get? But if you even take a buy from here, you are in a mess. You are in a mess because just a little retracement and you are wiped out. You understand? You can be wiped out any particular time. So this is 4 hour time frame. And what exactly are you seeing on the 4 hour time frame? Let me point out, let me point out, let me point out. This is a very, very healthy bullish engulfing candle from that particular fair value gap. Okay, and as the market is like trying to move up from this particular support level, not for the market not to break below this. Let me shift this thing back. See, as the market is trying to like not to break below this particular support level on the 4 hour time frame, because this 4 hour time frame, if you go down to one hour time frame, let me show you guys. This is a strong support level on the 1 hour time frame. So on that particular 1 hour time frame, the market is trying to push. You understand? This is a major support level on the 1 hour time frame. If you are using a lower time frame to take your trade, this is a major support level. You understand? That you might think of taking a buy from this particular area to the upside. You understand? But before you do that kind of mistake, go to the higher time frame and know exactly what's happening. Do you get? Go to the higher time frame and know exactly what's happening. That's the reason why I chop SL today. You get? So go to the higher time frame and know exactly what's happening. So this is it here. Maybe you think the market, yeah, maybe you think the market come to this particular support level and it give this particular bullish engulfing candle and it to go to the upside. You come to your chart, maybe the market go in your favor small, and you come later and you see that the market break below and stop you out. What you feel very, very, very bad. You get? You feel very, very bad because you don't know what is happening from the higher time frame. So that's the reason why you need to do your thorough top-down analysis and a technical analysis. See where the market have reached, see the position the market is from the higher time frame, then you play along. Yes, and then you play along. Then if you think the market have come to this particular support level and it will move to the upside, is a lie. This is a resistance level. This is a previous support level, and now it has break to the downside, automatically turned to a resistance level. And as the market tap on the resistance level, what exactly do you see? The market give this particular bearish engulfing candle on the 1 hour time frame. You understand? So tell me how the market will like break all this particular, take out all this particular high before it will go to the downside with all this bearish engulfing candle. You understand? Okay, this is a bearish engulfing candle from a double top, and this is a bearish engulfing candle when the market break and retest. Okay, this is a retest. This is a clean retest. You get? So what exactly am I telling you from the 4 hour time frame? I tell you guys that the reason why there is a little consideration from here is because on the lower time frame, this particular place that you see that doesn't look anything is a strong support level. You understand? But the market break it to the next support level, and the next support level push the market to the next resistance level. You understand? That is why I tell you guys that the market work from a support to resistance, resistance to support, support to resistance, resistance to support. Now, as the market is pushing to the downside, it's going to break below this particular support level now. You understand? Then we'll see maybe something like this. Then we'll see something like this. This is a high. We'll see a lower low and lower high. This is exactly what we are going to be expecting on AUD USD. You get, this is exactly what you are going to be expecting on AUD USD. So if you want to take this particular trade as a swing trader, just you enter your trade from here somewhere around this particular area, since the market have moved from here to the resistance level on a lower time frame, like 1 hour time frame. You just take your trade like this, take your trade from here. You take your trade from here like this. Let me take a short and put this particular short order. No vessel.
I know.
All right, bro. Okay, the one where no, Allah, no, Allah, no, Allah, no, Allah. Okay, so you just enter your trade from here like this. Then your stop loss will be above this particular resistance level. You understand? Please and please, regardless, it's just 20. Let me just say, just 26 to 27 pip away. You can even make it 30 pip. You understand? For you to have a breathing space. You understand? So you can make it 30 pip. You're going to target. You understand? You're going to target exactly this particular area, because the market will go all the way to this particular inner support level. You understand? Because there is a major support level from here. This is exactly what I'm expecting. But it won't happen just 1 week. No. It will not happen just 1 week. It won't happen just maybe in 2 weeks. Now it have not, maybe you will not see this thing happen. You understand? In 2 weeks you may not see this thing happen. But swing traders understand how they do their trading. You get, swing traders understand how they do their trading. So, and the reason why you need to like take this particular analysis very, very serious is because for the longest the market is on a downtrend. You understand? And this is just like a lower high. You understand? Then the next thing you're going to see is a lower low. You understand? This is a lower high. The next thing you're going to see is a lower low. So you can take your swing trade from here like this, then target the next support level, which is around somewhere here like this. Around somewhere here. You get, if you can hold it for long, you understand, if you can hold the trade for long, you understand, that's why you suppose have your swing trading account and your scalping or a day trading account. You understand? Me personally, I have my swing trading account, you understand, and I have my scalping and the trading account. You get, so you should have the mind to hold the trade for long. Just enter and forget about it. You understand? All you need to do is maybe check it once in a while, maybe once in a week, or maybe during the weekend, you just check how the market is behaving and the rest. Simple as that. You understand? So this is exactly the direction of the market in a short period of time. You understand? This is exactly the direction of AUD USD in a short period of time. You get, in a short period of time. This is exactly the direction of AUD USD in a short period of time. The market have moved from this particular support level to fulfill the promise, because whenever you see a fair value gap, there is a promise between the buyer and the seller. You understand? The seller will tell the buyers that don't worry, just go to it. So let's just allow us sell it down to support level. Then if you reach a major support level, then you can take it to this particular fair value that we have leave the gap for you now to fill now. So that's just wait now. Let's put it to support level first before you take over. You understand? That's how it is. So I don't know if Mr. Bob have gotten what exactly he was looking for. So please tell me if this particular analysis, if you get value from this particular analysis. Bob, I don't know if you are still active. I don't know if you are still active, but if you are active, let me know. Let me know if you understand the analysis, the thorough top-down analysis that we do. If you understand it, please let me know real quick. Let me know real quick. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Before we dive into another pair, man. Before we go to another pair, just let me know real quick. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Is Bob still active? Is Bob still active? Bob Lashley, are you still active? Okay, okay, okay. Yes. Oh, that's very great. That's very great. That's very great. So, means you understand. Means you understand. Thank God you get value for this particular analysis. That is the reason why I say I come on live video. You understand, to like take a question from you guys, answer you guys. Simple, just as simple as that. So just I've gotten what I want. That's very great, my brother. That's very good. That's very good. And I thank God you get exactly what you want, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Any question? If there is any question, please let me know on the comment section real quick. As we are going to look into XAUSD, GBUSD, and Euro USD. Just let me know if you have any other question. Just let me know. Then UD, I'm going to take this DXY. You understand? I'm going to check this DXY. Let me write it. I'm going to check this DXY. Just as you said, I should check, man. DXY. 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 So that I'll not forget. You. So if you have any question, please let me know real quick before we go into another thing. DXY. If you have a question, let me know real quick. Let me know. 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 If you have a question, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Yeah. If you have a question, just let me know real quick. Let me know. Let me know. If you have a question, let me know. Any question before we go into the next analysis, the next pair, because we are going to do the next one that we're going to do is XAUSD. We're going to do a top-down analysis on XAUSD. Then from XAUSD, we'll go to JPUSD, JPUSD to Euro USD. You understand? Then I would like to like take a question from you guys. If there's anywhere you are confused, just let me know. If there is anything you want me to talk about, even apart from the analysis, anything at all you want me to talk about, just let me know on the comment section. I'm going to talk about that. You understand? I'm going to talk about that real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Real quick, real quick, real quick. So I'm waiting for a question. If you have any question, just don't hesitate to ask a question. You understand? Don't hesitate to ask a question. That is one thing you need to know. Don't hesitate to ask a question. When I start my own journey, I look for a channel where a creator can even answer me, but I not get. You get. So you have the opportunity. So please don't take the opportunity for granted, man. Don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted. Just ask your question if you have any question. Ask your question. Ask your question. So let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I need to adjust this here so that it will look very, very okay. Yeah, man. Something like this. Yes, something like this. Yup. Yeah, exactly something like this. Okay, let me go to XAUUSD. Just drop a comment for me. I'll be checking comment time to time, time to time, time to time. You understand? I'll be checking comment time to time to see what exactly is going on the comment section. Let me see if there's any comments. Oh, Funa, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Down. No be lie, no be lie, no be lie, no be lie. You come at the right time. You come at the right time. You come at the right time. You guys come at the right time. Now I'm going into XAUUSD. You understand? XAUUSD, that's exactly what we're going to analyze now. You understand? Then The analysis I do on Sunday, yesterday morning, you understand, I post it, I think that's the same yesterday. The market is playing exactly the way I predict it. So let me just do a quick analysis, you understand, concerning it again, you understand, so that we all know exactly what to be expecting this particular week and next week, till the market do exactly come to where it's supposed to rest on, you understand, before it will gather momentum, before we see another push to the upside. You get? So let's dive into the analysis. Let's dive into the analysis. So what exactly are you seeing? This is 4 hour time frame. Let me go to daily time frame, because let's see how today candlestick close. You understand? On the analysis that I do, if you have not watched that particular video, you can go and watch the video. I told you guys that the the type of candlestick that I see, you understand, from this particular resistance level, the market will like take this particular move to the downside. You understand? I'll expect this particular, the like Monday candlestick to close bearish. After it close bearish, it will come to a support level, then we'll see a little retracement to the upside, because the market walk from support to resistance, resistance support, support to resistance, resistance support, you understand? Because whenever a market comes to the support level, there must be a respect, you understand? And as the market is going to the upside, don't forget all this red candlestick that you are seeing, you understand? All this red candlestick on a daily time frame is a strong consolidation when the market is going to the upside. And whenever a market comes to a consolidation, there must be a respect, you understand, for that consolidation, before the market to like break it to the downside. Do you get? There must be a respect for that particular consolidation. And this is daily time frame consolidation. This is daily consolidation. Let me mark it out before I go deeper. Let me mark it out. Okay? So that you guys will see how huge the consolidation be around that particular area. This is it here. This is the two consolidation that the market will respect, you understand, when the market is going to the downside. So this is it here. The market have given a clean double top here, you understand. Then with this particular hammer candlestick, people who understand what hammer is will know what exactly this particular candlestick stand for. You get? People who understand what hammer is, just the way I understand how bullish engulfing candle is, you understand, they will understand how what this particular candlestick stand for. You understand? Whenever you see this particular candlestick from a resistance level, means the market is trying to take the opposite direction of the previous trend. And whenever you see it from a support level, means the market is trying to take an opposite direction from the opposite. Oh my God, this girl that is crying is disturbing me. So whenever you see this particular candlestick from a support level, means the market is trying to go to the upside, and whenever you see it from a resistance level, means the market is trying to go to the downside. You get? So that is how it works. That's how it works. So we are going to, now you have seen that on a daily time frame, the market make a clean double, triple top sell, because this is 1, 2, and 3. You understand? Triple top. Then what exactly are we expecting? And this is just like an end pattern. You understand? This is an end pattern, and whenever you see an end pattern, also the market is going to the downside. And where exactly do you expect the market to reach before you see another push to the upside? This is the major support level, a major inner support level first, that the market will come to before we will like consider the market moving to the upside. You understand? This is where we consider the market moving to the upside from. You get? Then after the market come here, the reaction of the market will tell us exactly what the market is going to do from this particular area, from this particular support level. So but for now, in a short period of time, the market is going to the downside. If there is any news, bam, the market is breaking down. That is just it. If there is any news, the market is breaking to the downside. That's just all you need to know. If there is any slight news, the market will break to the downside. Just take it very serious. Take this analysis very serious, because even me myself, I'm going to take it very. Let me even forget about that. So we'll go to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is doing. You understand? On the 4 hour time frame, just as I predicted, the market is following exactly what I predict. If you have not watched the video, just go and watch the video. Let it not be as if I just mark this particular, and I cannot do that. I more than that, I cannot do that. You understand? I more than that. I cannot just come to the chat and mark, do all this kind of shit before I showed it to you guys. Never, 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 never. So I make a video yesterday concerning this particular XAUSD, because I look at the chart and I see the behavior of the chart, and I say let me just make a short video. The video, I think the video is around 13 minutes, or is it 12 or 13 minutes video? You understand? It's not that long, so you can just, after the live video, you can just go and watch the video to like sharpen your this thing, your idea concerning how to do a strong top-down analysis and predict the market correctly. You understand? Now the market is playing out already, but just watch it when I'm analyzing it from the beginning. You understand? It will sharpen how you like analyze your charts as well. So the market will like come to this particular area and consolidate a bit. You understand? But you are not going to listen to that consolidation. Okay, let me expand this particular. The market will come to this particular area and consolidate a bit. You understand? After it consolidate and break, it will come to this particular place again and consolidate a bit. You understand? So there will be a little consolidation till the market break down to this particular inner support level. You understand? I'm going to like delete some of these things because I don't like too much drawing on my chart. You understand? I don't like too much drawing. That's why I don't use indicator. I don't even know what indicator is. So I'm going to, so the market will like come to this particular consolidate, like it will come to this particular support level, then try to move to the upside. This particular one here, it will come to this particular support level, then it will try to move to the upside. When it go a bit, then it will break it to the downside and come to this particular major support level. This is more stronger than this particular area, because from this particular area, the market, the blood, the hold for the market now. So the like it's not going to take a longer time before this particular support level will be broken. You understand? But this is where the market will consolidate a bit before we'll see a breakdown to a break to the downside. You understand? That's exactly what we'll see on XAUSD. So this is the support level that I'll expect XAUSD to come to before we'll see any other push to the upside, or it will consolidate here, give us a sign, then it will break to the downside. You understand? This is exactly what I'm expecting. And for you to like see the full picture of it, the way I analyze it when the market have not even taken a move today, the way I analyzed it yesterday, just go and check the video that I post. You understand? You are going to understand it better. You understand? You're going to understand it better. So this is exactly what I'm expecting on XAUSD. I don't know if you guys understand. I don't know if you guys understand. Understand? So XAUSD in a short period of time is moving to the downside. In a short period of time, XAUSD is moving to the downside. I don't know if you guys understand. Alpha. Oh yeah, no, yeah, no, no.
Adios, man.
All right, sir.
Adios. I found out this team I didn't want to go face the bar.
Oh yeah, no. A code one, no, no. Make I give you this one, back. Oh yeah, no.
I love like this one.
Oh yeah, no, yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right, sir. Don't forget your shit. Oh, you want to dash me? You want to dash me? Oh yeah, no, bro. So we chat, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir.
That election is tomorrow.
Just come for the election. Yes, sir. So this is exactly what I'm expecting on XAUSD. You understand? In a short period of time. You understand? If you are somebody who take your trades, who is a swing trader, just enter for a sell whenever you see a little push up, you understand, to a minor resistance level, just take your sell and put your stop loss above. But you know how volatile and how this thing, you know how volatile XAUSD is. So be very, very cautious of what you're risking. Know exactly what you're risking and take it very serious. The market is breaking to the downside in a short period of time. So let me go to GBP USD. Let me go to the APUSD. The APU, I take a loss. I took a loss on the APUSD today. Took a loss on the APUSD today. But that no really mean, sha. It doesn't mean. It doesn't mean. It doesn't mean. It doesn't mean. So on a weekly time frame, what exactly are you seeing on GPUSD? It moved from this particular support level, you understand? Then give us a bullish engulfing candle. This is it here. It moved from this particular support level. Then it give us this particular bullish engulfing candle, and immediately it give this particular bullish engulfing candle. I keep preaching about it that the market is going to the upside, the market is going to the upside, you understand? But now it has reached a resistance level, you understand? And this particular resistance level, we must see a little push to a minor to an inner support level, or either one support level before the market will push to the upside, you understand? So in a short period of time, GPUSD also is moving to the downside because it's on a resistance level. That is what you guys need to know. It's on a resistance level. So let's go to daily time frame so that you guys will see where the market is presently. You understand? This is exactly where the market is. Sure you get. This is exactly where the market is. This is this is a resistance level. You understand? This is a resistance level. Do you know why? If you go to 4 hour time frame, this particular area, let me mark this particular area, then I'll go to 4 hour time frame so that you guys will see that yes, it's a strong resistance level. Okay, I'll mark it up. Huh? Let me go to 4 hour time frame. Because before I do anything, I need to like they always see it from the bigger picture. You understand? Okay, this is it here. As you can see, there is strong consolidation here. You understand? Strong consolidation around this particular area before the market take this particular aggressive move to the downside. So right now, like this, the market is on this particular resistance level. You understand? So there must be a respect to this particular resistance level. So the market will push to the downside, and if you see this particular 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, you see that the market is giving more of bearish engulfing candle from the resistance level, you understand? So the market give this particular bearish engulfing candle, it give this bearish engulfing candle, you understand? And this is a strong hammer again, you understand? This is a strong, see this top down analysis that I would not do yesterday because of light, but it pains me, you understand? It pains me a lot. It pains me, but I don't know, I don't have anything to do. Okay, then again, see another example. So all you need to do is just wait for the market to retrace up a bit and enter for a sell. Even if the market will break to the upside, the chance that the market will break to the upside is very, very low than the market will go to this particular maybe major support level, this inner support level, you understand? The chance that the market will break to the upside is very, very low, but the chance that the market will break to the downside is very, very high. So if you are a swing trader, even a day trader, all you need to do this period is just, if your strategy work on a downtrend, then just please stick to a sell, you understand, this particular period during this week, you understand, during this week, forget about what every other persons are doing. Just if your strategy work for a sell, you understand, on a downtrend, then just stick to your sell jejely, because anything you can do concerning buy, except if you are a bad scalper, you understand, because before you can get any opportunity to like for buy, except if you are a bad scalper, you get. And that is exactly what I am trying to do in the morning, you understand, during London section, that makes me chop SL. I thought maybe I'll get a quick scalp, you understand, on this particular GPUSD, and I chop SL straight, not to even give me any chance to manage the trade or to like put it on break even. No, immediately as I enter to position, that's how it just goes straight to my SL, and I record it, and there's no way I'm not going to post it. You get, I record it, and there's no way I'm not going to post it. I'm going to post it tomorrow. You guys are going to see. Yes, sir. You guys are going to see it. That's just it. So please be very, very careful what exactly you are doing on the chat this week and next week. Be very careful and make sure whatever you are risking, you like maximize your risk, like minimize your risk this period. Minimize your risk and follow the trend to the downside, since the trend is going to the downside in a short period of time till we see a strong momentum, like a strong buy momentum before we like call for a buy. You understand? But if not, this particular time like this, everything is going to the downside. You see, AUD USD, XAU USD, GBP USD, and Euro USD, all of them is going to the downside. You understand? And as the market is creating a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, this particular place that the market is now is the higher lower high. You understand? So what exactly are you expecting when the market creates a lower high is lower low? You understand? So please be very, very like keep your eyes on whatever, like be very serious in whatever you are doing on the chart this period. You understand? Be very, very serious. Do your thorough analysis. Don't just jump on a trade this period. If not, you will learn the hard way. You understand? Me, it has been long that my first trade for the week ending lost, but today my first trade for the week ending lost. Means I'm going to struggle to come out of that particular loss before I make profit. Before I come tell you guys that yes, I end this particular week in profit, and this is the 18th week straight that I'm supposed to end in profit. You understand? So if I've not end this week in profit, means I've not reached 20 weeks straight in profit, and there is no way I'm not going to show you guys. No way. I'm going to like show you guys how it is. You understand? So any mistake I do, I'm going to show you guys. Except if you don't watch my normal videos. Except if you don't watch my normal videos. If you watch my normal videos, there is no any mistake, there is no any trade that I take or any analysis that I will not put it out there. You understand? You end it in profit, boss. Thank you so much. Inshallah. Amen, 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 amen. And amen, amen, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't want to say anything. Amen, amen, amen. Because I will struggle first, you understand, to come out of that particular drop down. First, to come out of that particular drawdown, to recover that loss before I'll make a profit on top. Bro, it's hard. Means like the way they do me, if my first trade for the week is lost, the next trade, but let's see how tomorrow and next tomorrow, because today is Monday now. We still have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday before we have Friday, because that Friday service is trash. Friday trade is always a trash. You understand? You guys know that one. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. That's what Friday. See, Monday, Friday. You guys should be very, very careful. Monday and Friday. You understand? It's not exactly what you are seeing that will play out. You understand? You see that Monday and Friday. You guys should be very, very careful. You understand? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Glad my God day. Thank you so much. I appreciate this your prayer, man, and I receive it, bro. I receive it. So this is exactly what I'm saying. This is exactly what I'm saying. So if you have any pair at all you want me to like look into, you want me to check, just let me know before I end the live stream, because I'll end it when I reach 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours straight. You understand? Depending on the type of this thing, question I'm getting from you guys. You understand? So if you have any question, if you have any pair you want me to look into it, just drop it in the comment section so that we'll do a top-down analysis on that particular pair also. You get XAUSD. I've done XAUSD. You understand? I've already do XAUSD and I post a video. You understand? I post a video about that particular XAUSD. I do that video yesterday and I posted yesterday. You understand? and it's working like it's going according to that particular this thing analysis. So it's either you back forward the analysis small, this particular live stream small, or you go to that video and watch. Even if you back forward this particular analysis small, still go to that video and see how I do that analysis. It's going to open your head more, bro. That's not joke. You understand? That's not joke. It's going to open your head more. You understand? In how to do your top-down analysis and how to predict the market, why the market is even closed. You understand? That's exactly what I do yesterday. I predict it and it's going. Just see the way I do the analysis yesterday. You understand? And I post. Then see the way the market is going today. You get? You are going to like grab everything that is happening. I show everything in that particular video. So I've done analysis on XAUSD here, and I've done analysis on, let me see GBP The only one that we have not do analysis on now is Euro USD, but all of them is moving the same way. You understand? So all you need to do is, if you are doing anything, like my own little advice for every trader this week is, if you are doing anything concerning sell, let it just know that you are concerning buy, just know that you are a bad scalper. You are very, very good at scalping. That's when you are going to tempt anything concerning buy. Understand? If not, just wait for your strategy to play out clear before you do anything concerning but sell. You understand? Just keep sell. You understand? Just try sell this period. You understand? This is where I took that particular SL. This is the place I took that particular SL today. And immediately I see this pattern, I thought maybe the market, you see when the market, oh my goodness. My prediction is very, very right. But I enter it, but the market is on a downtrend. So I cannot blame the market for not giving a bullish engulfing candle before the market reach that particular, feed that particular gap. You are going to see it on my video tomorrow. This is the gap that I marked out, that I'm expecting the market to move from this particular area. This particular fair value gap, I see this particular small fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? Immediately I see this particular fair value gap and the market come to this particular area, I take a buy from here like this. I take a buy from here. You understand? Then my stop loss is below this particular engulfing candle. Then, and I said, if the market come to this particular fair value gap, I said, if the market come to this particular fair value gap, this small minor fair value gap, then I'll take a partial profit. I enter the position twice. Then I'll take a partial profit. Then after taking partial profit, then I'll put the remaining one on break even. Then do you know what the market do? It comes straight to hit my SL. The market do something like a consolidation. What exactly do you see now? The market come and fulfill, do exactly what I predict. You see this spike that happened to the upside. This is the fair value gap that the market come to fill. You understand? The loss that I have, it is not because I not see like the fair value gap I'm targeting. I know the market must definitely going to feed that particular fair value gap. That's the reason why I enter. But I enter very early, not very early, but the market is on a downtrend. You understand? Had it been the market is an uptrend, then if we even pass that particular fair value gap, you understand, go to the upside. But the market is on a downtrend, so I do not blame the market. I blame myself for doing against the trend, for go against the trend. You understand? But do you see exactly what the market do? The market not even go far. It went up and filled the fair value gap. If you watch that video tomorrow, you will see that Benv, your prediction is very, very correct. Just see this particular fair value gap that the market can't fill. You understand? This tiny fair value gap that I discover, I just see it and and I see the market is coming to fill this particular fair value gap. Let me take advantage of this particular move to this particular area, and the market stopped me out. Immediately it stopped me out, it consolidate around this particular area, went up and fill the fair value gap. And even it went up from here to fill the fair value gap before it comes to the downside, and for no chop this particular SL. You understand? But what do you see? The market went up and filled the fair value gap. But immediately I chop that SL, I just leave my chart. I don't even know that the market went up to fill the fair value gap anymore. You understand? I don't even know. Shey you see, the market went up and fill the fair value gap. Very very painful, but I will not care, I will not mind. Very painful. What you predict work out, but you go stop out first before it work out. This is exactly what I always tell you guys. um you see healthy bullish engulfing candle, you see healthy bullish engulfing candle, you see there are healthy bullish engulfing candle now like this, but how will you know how to use it? You supposed to like know exactly where to use a fair value a bullish engulfing candle from. You understand? If not, you chop XL. See healthy bullish engulfing candle, you'll be tempted to take a trade from this particular place, from this particular bullish engulfing candle. If you are somebody who use bullish engulfing candle, if you don't know exactly what you're doing, what the market is doing. So before you use any this particular one also, you understand? So before you use any particular strategy, make sure you know exactly what, like the psychology behind it. You understand? Me that even know exactly what I'm doing. You understand? The market stop me out first. After it stop me out, e give a fake healthy bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Before the market go up straight to fill that particular gap. So how do you see it? How do you see it? Is it not better you develop your own personal strategy, or you just learn about a particular strategy very very well, know how it work before you even venture to use it? um So abeg kai omo, you see what the market do, right? Shey you guys see what the market do? So the market like later went and fulfill the promise, like went and do exactly what I predict. But you have to like stop me out first. I chop SL on my first trade. Oh my god. And the market do exactly what I see. He went to that place that I see. But you have to like stop me out first. Oh god. It's me and you tomorrow. Don't worry. See, tomorrow day, next tomorrow day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday still dey for me and you. GBUSD, Euro USD, XA USD for me and una. This 4 days still dey, so no wahala. So the market get have the mind to go and fill that particular gap that I'm trying to like take the trade to, that e stop me out. Okay, okay. So that's it. So the market is going to the downside, to the down, is on a downtrend this period. This period is on a downtrend. So be very very careful on what you are doing. It's not every bullish and engulfing candle that you see on the chart now that will work. That's until the market is trying to go to the upside. You understand? But before the market will go to the upside, just go to your higher time frame and see that the market is on a major support level. When you see that the market is on a major support level, that is when you will be trying to enter for a buy. You understand? Or you know exactly how to scalp very very well, and you know how to manage your risk, and you know how to manage your trade before you do before you trade against the trend. If not, for now the market is preparing to go to the downside. So please and please follow the trend. You understand? Follow the trend, follow the trend. And as you can see, this is where the market is moving from. You understand? It will be very hard for the market for GPUSD to break above this particular resistance level now like this. You get? So we are moving down to Euro USD. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. What exactly are you saying? Euro USD. My trade on Euro USD today will go far. Ó ti lọ far. It will go far. Immediately I see this spike to the upside. Immediately I see the spike to the upside. I went to daily time frame. I see how, although the way, see, you guys need to understand how this particular thing works. You understand? Because the market is on the downtrend. This is a high, this is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Let me just say lower low, but this one is not okay. Lower high, let's say lower high. This is a lower low, lower high, lower. This one is like the market, had it been the market to like go to the upside, it's supposed to make a clean double bottom. And when the market is moving from this particular area to the upside, I say that, I keep saying it, those people, you guys that always attend my live section, I think I preach about this particular place. You understand? Now, had it been this particular market to go far, we foresee a clean double bottom. Why is it that the market not make a clean double bottom and it's going to the upside? Now like this, the market have come to a major resistance level and is giving a sign to move to the downside. You understand? So all you need to do now is target a sell. You understand? The market is on a major resistance level. You understand? And on some of our brokers, this particular candlestick is a hammer. You understand? Is a bearish hammer. This candlestick today, I never even check how the candlestick close on my own for the next this thing chart. So this is how the chart look like, and anything you see will just be like maybe the market will do a little double top. You understand? it, that double top sef will not even work anymore, because what exactly are you seeing? This is a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? This is a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, and the market have like break below this particular support level already, but buyers push it up to this particular area. You understand? We'll see a little retracement to the upside a bit before the market will like come to the downside. So since the market move like this to the upside, since the market move zigzag, 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 zigzag to the upside, coming to the downside will not like hard the market. You understand? Whenever you see a choppy market to the upside, it will take an aggressive move to the downside. And whenever you see the market come to the downside and aggressive, it will take a choppy market. You understand? Like choppy market to the upside. That's how it works. So we'll see a massive drop. If there is any news this particular week, then expect a sell. You understand? Expect a sell on XAUSD, GBP and Euro USD. Expect a sell. Maybe before that particular news come outside, you see a fake push to the upside. You understand? A fake push to the upside, but be very, very careful. Don't fall victims. Don't fall victim. You understand? So the market is giving us a sign that is going to the downside. This particular candle, this type of candlestick, they call it three white soldier. You understand? This particular three candlestick that follow themselves, three bearish candlestick that follow themselves, they call it three white soldiers. You understand? But all these languages, all these grammars, me, I don't normally use them. You understand? I don't normally use them. I stick to my simple support and resistance level, clean engulfing candle, and take my trade. That's just all. So I'm on a trade. Actually, I'm on a swing trade on this particular Euro USD on my 10K account. You understand? And I don't know when I'm going to take that particular trade out yet. I don't know, because I might wait till it come to this particular inner support level, because there is an inner support level where the market will react from here. You understand? Or I might go to daily time frame and expect the market to create another lower low, but that will be next year. That one will happen towards next year. You understand? I'll be waiting for the market. Maybe I fit wait, hold the trade till it create another lower low. You understand? And when it create, It's creating another lower low, it will continue. Then if it change its direction immediately, we are going to know, because I will be coming on live video all the time to like share the update with you guys. You understand? Rubbing mind with you guys, tell you guys the direction of the market and what exactly I'm seeing. You understand? On the chart. That's exactly what I'm going to be doing. You understand? Since everybody, a lot of people are going offline or maybe going for holiday, but me, I'm aggressively active. I want to see how the market will move this particular period, this particular season. You get, I want to see how it move. This year as a whole is just testing, 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 testing. But you see, next year, immediately we are stepping on next year. See, I don't want to relent. I don't want to relent because I know what I'm pursuing. I don't want to relent anymore. No time to relent. So I'll be testing everything, every season of the market. I'll be testing it. I'll be going against, see, I'm not telling, I'll be going against the trend. I'll be trading during season like this where everybody, banks and everything is going off the market. I'll be trading. Let me know, let me experience it, so that whenever I jam it, it will not be like just a new thing to me. No, you understand? So I'm always active. I'm locked in here. You understand? I'm locked in. And if I even have a chance, that period, this period, if I have a chance, this Xmas and New Year period, if I have the chance and if there is light, I can do, this is when I'll do a marathon. Understand? This is when I'll do a marathon, because if I want to take a trade, I have to come to live video and take that particular trade and take it with you guys. You understand? So that we all see, experience how the season, you understand, how the holiday season, how the Xmas season affects the market. You understand? You understand how the festive season affect the market. You get. So if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. If you have a question, we have less than 90 minutes to go. We have less than 90 minutes to go. Less than 90 minutes to go. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. If you have any question, if there is anything I said and you don't understand, just let me know real quick. Let me know real quick. Let me know, 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 let me know. Let me know. My lovely people, let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. Yo, man. So tell me now, if there is any pair you want us to like look into, let me know. There's any pair you want us to like check, let me know now. I'm done doing my analysis. You understand? And I'll tell you guys the direction of the market. XAUSD, Euro USD, GBP USD, they are going to the downtrend in a short period of time. You understand? The chance of those pairs breaking to the higher, to breaking above that resistance level is very, very low. You understand? But the chance of it going to the downside is very, very high, depending on the type of candlestick I'm seeing from that particular resistance level, and depending on the kind of candlestick depending on the position and depending on where the market is presently. You understand? So the chance of it breaking above that resistance level is very low. You understand? It's very low. It's like 10% out of 100. But the chance of it going to the downside is like that kind 90% out of 100. That's exactly what I'm saying. You understand? So please, if you have a question, drop it on the comment section. Let's rub mine. Let's rub mine. Let's rub mine. If you have a question, drop it on the comment section. If you have a question, drop it on the comment section. Let me check other. Let me check BTC pair. Let me check crypto. Let me check crypto. Let me see what cryptos are doing. Solana. Solana is still giving people an opportunity. It's still giving people an opportunity to buy from here. It's still giving an opportunity to buy from here. This is they call this thing an indecision candle. Mm. They call this candlestick an indecision. Indecision. Like whenever Solana come to this particular area, e dey always get a long consolidation. Let's check it back. A long consolidation. You understand? When it's on this particular support level, do you see this particular, do you see the consolidation? E even give a fake break to the downside, you understand, before e go up. You understand? So anytime Solana come to this particular area, anytime Solana come to this particular support level, e dey always have a long consolidation. You understand? E dey always have a long consolidation. You understand? Shey you get? You see this particular consolidation is exactly what you are seeing here. You understand? This is exactly what you are seeing here. It's giving a long consolidation, giving a lot of people a chance to buy. You understand? A chance to buy. And it might even give a fake break to the downside, you understand, before it will move to the upside. Man, like this particular support level on Solana, I've been preaching about it too. I've been preaching about it, although it dey delay, like it dey take time before e move from this particular, this how is it called, 125 to 130. You understand? Between 125 to 140. You understand? This particular area, e dey always take its time. It always take its time to move from here, and if it move, it will give you exactly what you want. You understand? If it move, it will give you exactly what you want. You understand? This is it here. This is it here. You tap on this particular area, move up. You understand? Then this is where it give that particular fake breakout. This is a strong consolidation. You understand? This is three, almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is almost 8 weeks straight in the consolidation. In the consolidation. And that's how it always do when it comes to this particular area. You understand? That is how it always do when it comes to this particular region of 125 to 140. You understand? So if you want to invest in Solana, or if you ever think of investing in Solana, you have to buy your 50% or 70%. Your 70% investment have to go in now. You understand? Is the right time. Not a financial advice, but exactly what I'm saying. You understand? Because of past this thing analysis and past behavior of the market from this particular region. You understand? This zone is a strong zone for Solana to move up from. Okay, that's what they always do. That's exactly what it always do. So if you have a question, drop it on the comment section. I think I have less than 30 minutes to go. I have less than 13 minutes to go. Let me check other pair. Let me check other coin, man. Let me check BTC USD. It's been long I check BTC USD. Okay. It has not fulfilled the promise yet. Not yet fulfilled the promise. Let me see. It haven't fulfilled the promise. It just went to like fill a gap here, then taking this move to the downside. Then this is exactly what the market, this is where I'm expecting the market to come to. This 70, this gap here, this is a major support level where the market will come to before we see any push to the upside. This is a major support level where the market will come to, either this particular area or this particular area. But me, I'm expecting it to come to this particular area. This particular support level, let it rest on this particular support level, consolidate well. Maybe this year 2026, 2027 will be hey, what exactly am I saying? 2026, 2027 will be a consolidating year for cryptos. You understand? 2026, 2027 will be a consolidating year for cryptos. Let me check something. Let me check monthly. Let me check monthly. There's something I need to check on monthly. Let me check last from okay, since the beginning of this is January. Where is the 1st January 2025? This is 1st January. It come down to this particular support level, then move from here 1st April. 1st April, it moved from this particular area, this particular 74, 75, all the way to this particular place, all the way to 125, 600, around 125, almost 126, yes, almost 126. Then, which month is this? This is 1st, okay, this is October. Then from October down to November, and this is December, the market is trying to come to this particular support level again. You understand? Then maybe January. Okay, this is January. Okay, this is February. Okay, January, February, the market might come to this particular support level or this particular support level before we see another push. No, if eventually the market come to this particular area, there must be a strong consolidation that will take even more than 6 months before the market will move from here, because that's what the market always do. When market come to $15,000 as of which year? 2022. As of 2022, 15K. Oh my goodness. Benv. Oh God, man. 15K. Me and my guy go dey screenshot am, dey send for ourselves. Oh boy, BTC come down to $15,000. BTC come down to $15,000. My God, 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 God. I told you guys, I start my journey with crypto. I start my journey with crypto. When is it Solana or which is it Solana or Cardano? Is it Solana or Cardano? Which one come to $7 that time? Seven F dollar, man. And I'll check Cardano now. I'll check Cardano. Bitcoin come to 15 fucking dollar, man, bro. Cry person don lose opportunity, oh man. But sha, e no go happen again. E no go repeat itself, man. E no go repeat itself. But anything that goes up must come down. You understand? So expect the market to come and rest on this particular support level. Let it rest, man. Let it rest. When I no pressure am, make e come down and rest. If e rest, it will give another, it will create another billionaires. You understand? When it come to a strong support level before it move to the upside, it will create another billionaires. You understand? So una just allow am rest. You understand? Una no rush am o. Allow BTC USD rest. You see BTC USD, ETH USD, then all the square one like Solana, Cardano, which other one again? All this, like the ones wey no fit die. You understand? The one wey no fit kpai. The one wey no fit kpai. The ones wey no fit kpai. You understand? The day BTC, let's allow BTC rest on a major support level so that the next bull run will create plenty billionaires. You understand? Next bull run on cryptos will create plenty billionaires. If like let me say plenty millionaires first. then if care is not taken, it will be plenty billionaires. You understand? So me, I'm just praying for this particular market to still come down and rest on this particular area. You understand? Let it come and rest on this particular major support level. You understand? I even want it to come down to this particular area. You understand? Like that kind 30K again. Bro, man. Let it come to 30K again. Abeg, if you are praying for BTC to come to 30K again, or maybe that kind 15K again, let me know on the comment section. Let me know. Let me see people who want to be the next billionaires. If you are praying for BTC to come to 15K again, just let me know on the comments. If you are praying for BTC to come to 15K again, let me know in the comments. Let me know real quick. Let me know. If your prayer is for BTC to come to 15K again, let me see you, man. Let's see. Me, I just dey pray. My own prayer is let it come down. Let's have another strong bearish, man, in crypto market. Let's still have a strong bearish in crypto market. Omo, the kind billionaires wey that thing go create in a short when it start its bull run back. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys will see. Lelelele. Me, my prayer is let it come to 15K again. Let it come to 15K again. Because if you are praying for BTC to move from this particular area to the upside, means you buy when you're not supposed to buy, or you refuse to sell when the market is giving a sign that yes, I'm tired, I need to rest, I'm tired, I need to rest. Means you suppose, like, you forget to take out 70% of your, like, let me just say 70% of your investment, of your ROI, return of interest, ROI. You refuse to take out some positions. You want it to like go to 1 million, yeah, so that poor people no fit afford am again. So we are praying now. My prayer is for it to come and rest on this particular, that kind 30K or 15K again. You understand? Let it come and rest on this particular area. At least 30. Oh God, 30. Okay. So let's see. Which one I'll take, sir? Which one I say I will take? Which other one I say I will take? Cardano. Let me check Cardano. Real quick. Let me check Cardano. Hmm. Is this CAD? Let me go to crypto job. No, not like this. This is it here. A Ada, yes. Ada is Cardano, yes. Ada, yes. This is it here. This Ada. Ada is Cardano. Cardano come down to, wait, which one am I? Which one I go press? Which Cardano I go press? Cardano future, December 2025. Say waiting. No, this is not the Cardano I'm looking for. Let me search for Cardano. Ada suppose dey up now. Let me check. Ada USD. This is it. I think this is the this is the original one now. This is the original. Oh boy, Cardano don't break down. No, Cardano don't break down. And okay. This is this is monthly time frame. Is it Cardano or it will be Solana? Let me check Solana. Shey na Solana come to $7 that time abi which pair which currency this thing come to $7 abi 15? Is it 7 or 15? It will be Solana, right? 9 7 joor, this is it. It's 7. It's $7. That year, oh my goodness, 7. Solana, where you guys know, Solana went as high as Solana come to $7 for my eye like this, koro like this. Solana, God, come to $7. The heck? I just dey pray, God abeg, you go still do am again o. Shey, although there is a major support level it's approaching, but it's still coming down. This is a major support level, but it's still coming down. But I don't know if it will come to this particular level again. $7 that year, 2022, December 2022, $7. Solana, $7 Solana, and it consolidate for how many months? One, two, let me just say 1, 2. Okay, the consolidation start from here, right? Let me see. The consolidation start from here, like this. Then just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Jesus Christ. A year plus. Cardano, Solana is down. Solana is down. A year plus. Jesus. Oh boy, this kind of opportunity could still present itself again. This kind of opportunity could still present itself again. God when. But person don fuck up for this life, man. Person don fuck up for this life. Me and my guy, we go just dey check. Poverty no good o. We go just dey check everything we go dey do. We go just dey check the price, dey screenshot am give our side. Oh boy, e don reach this so amount. Oh boy, e don reach so. Hey, no, sha. Never too late. E never too late. E never too late, man. E never too late. E never too late. So if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section so that we'll brush through it. If you have any question, please let me know. Real quick. I'll spend a whole lot of time with you guys. Do some analysis like the ones that we need to do. Then now like this is you guys to ask me question before the next 2 minutes. Let's see. Ask me a question before the next 2 minutes. Ask me a question before the next 2 minutes. You guys know that I'm always here for you guys, not for any other thing. You understand? I'm always here for you guys to respond to your comments, to do exactly what you say I should do, to like do a top-down analysis, check any pair you want, any question you want to ask me concerning the forex industry, just ask the question. You understand? Live and direct. I'm going to answer you. That's just it, man. That is just it. This year, I'm giving you guys that particular chance. You understand? That chance. I'm giving everybody, all my viewers, that chance this year. You understand? This year is for you guys and you guys alone. And I'm going to like coming to this particular live stream every like 4 times in a week. See, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, then Sunday. Those are the days I'll be coming to live section with you guys. You understand? Anyone that I miss, I'll try to like at least show up. You understand? I'll be showing up for you guys all the time this year, all the time. And we'll still keep continue doing that. So I'll keep continue doing that until you guys get the value you guys needed, man. So if there is no question, in less than 1 minute now, I'm going to call it a day. Then then we are going to call it a day. We are going to call it a day. If there is no question in less than 1 minute, then we are going to call it a day. If there is no question in less than 1 minute, we are going to call it a day, man. Any question, any question, any question, any question, any question. Just let me know, let me know, let me know real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. And if you watch to this end, let me see a fire emoji on the comment section. If you watch to this end, let me see a fire emoji. Let me see a fire emoji from those who are active, man. Let me see a fire emoji. Let me see a fire emoji. I'm going to like call it off now. Call it like they will see next tomorrow, which is Wednesday. We'll do mid-week top-down analysis, technical analysis. You understand? Midweek technical analysis is Wednesday, which is next tomorrow. So if you watch to this end, let me see a fire emoji from you. If you watch to this end, let me see a fire emoji from you. Real quick, real quick, real quick. If you watch to this end, let me see a fire emoji from you. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Oh, these people that is watching me now, bro. Oh, more. Now I want just hide everything, man. Just low key. Oh yeah, now. See you guys next tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Don't miss out. Don't miss it, man. Don't miss it. 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 Yeah.